Hi, I'm Mike Nedd with Nedd Guitars, and welcome to Allparts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install vintage size tuners into a Telecaster neck. So first off, this is the tools that we're going to need. You're going to need a reamer, and then we're going to need 11/32 bit and also a clamp. Now with the reamer, the reason why we're going to need this is because we actually have to set these bushings into the top of them. Excuse me. And the thing is, when these necks are sprayed, some of these holes tend to swell a little bit, so they're a slight bit smaller than what they were whenever they were first drilled out. So what I've done is I've gotten my reamer and I've already taped off my 11/32 right in here, and I've already done the first hole. So all I've done is came in and just reamed to my tape here. But the reamer itself, it still kind of goes at an angle. So what you want to do to clean out the rest of that hole is take you the 11/32 bit, again, as I've taped off to the depth of my bushing there. And what we're going to do is I've already cleaned out the very top of the hole. So what we're going to do is just put the drill in reverse and just slowly come in and just clean that out like that. And then when you come in and set this, it's still nice and snug. You don't want them to fall out, but you can come in with your clamp and press it in there, and it's going to seat nice with the top of that. Okay, so that's how you're going to seat those bushings, because you don't want to end up coming in and cracking any of the neck right there. You can definitely do that really easy if you don't watch what you're doing. But that's how I tend to set these here at the shop. And it's going to be very, very minimal that you're going to have to take out, but we don't want to interrupt the finish line or anything on there, or crack any of the finish. So that's why we're doing this. And we don't want to force these in there, because you can split the side of the neck right there. So now that we've gotten all these kind of reamed in, all I'm going to do is just actually widen, going all the way through to the depth of the bushing there. And again, what I'm doing is I'm coming in reverse. So now, and just, you know, these are padded, rubberized claws on there, and it just goes right in. So that way you're not using a hammer to bang things in there, and they go in tight but relatively easy. So there you go. It's easy as that.